Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, myself Disha Ankalkote from 3rd year of Computer Department of Zeal Polytechnic. I am here to present you all our group project which holds the title Develop Web Application for Hospital Management System with my two more group members Vaishnavi Biradar and Sandeep Jagtap under the guidance of Sunita Gazre ma'am. The content of our project is Introduction, Abstract, Scope, Objectives, Functional Requirement, Future Enhancement and the Conclusion. So beginning with the first content, that is the introduction part. The software is for the automation of hospital management system, provide facilities as consulting doctors on various diseases. Its purpose is to provide treatment facility fulfilling all the requirements of the patients. A modern hospital provides services of curative, restorative and preventive character of the highest quality possible to all people regardless of race, color, creed or economic status, which conducts research assisting the advancement of medical service and hospital services, and which conducts programmers in health education. Hospitals are the focal point of education for health professionals and clinical research necessary for advancement of medicine. Abstraction. The main objective of developing this hospital management system is to provide efficient management services in the hospital. The previous hospital system was full of drawbacks like writing patients' information on books, so sometimes they can lose the importance of information. This developed project is fully automated and any user who doesn't know about computer can operate it easily. This hospital management system consists of patients' personal information, patient's disease information. It consists information about various objectives of hospital management system, the future scope of this project and current use of this project in hospital management. This makes managing more easier than earlier. The scope. It can be used in any hospital, clinic, dispensary or pathology labs for maintaining patient details and their test result. The sick need medical treatment, nursing care and shelter. With the advent of the modern society, the institution developed to cater to the needs of the sick was the hospitals. Healthy human beings make healthy society. Every society has its share of unhealthy human beings, illness, disease and invalid. Healthy human beings make healthy society. Every society has its share of unhealthy human beings. Illness, disease and invalidity may be accused, but then a victim certainly are not. There are much part of society as the healthiest individual. Objectives. When a patient comes for treatment and is admitted to the hospital, his card should be filled and all the jobs to be done should get listed. The inventory should be updated automatically whenever a transaction is made. The prescription of the outdoor patient should be kept up to date and their records should be kept in the system. The accounting of the hospital should be integrated into the new system so that this job need to be outsourced. It generates test reports, provide prescription details including various tests, diet advice and medicines prescribed to patient and doctor. It also provides injection details and billing facility on the basis of patient status, whether it is an indoor or outdoor patient. The system also provides the facility of backup as per the requirements. Functional requirements. Create account. We can create a new account in this software which may include the details like name, age, gender, address, contact number of the person who is going to create a new account in the hospitals for registering him or her in the hospital medical record file. Secondly is the search account. We can search an existing account in the record file of hospital by entering the name or registration number given by the hospital organization. User or administrator can search a patient's record by his or her name or their registration date. Third one is update account. We can update the existing account in the record file, opening the account by entering the registration number and password of the patient's account. All these details are kept in the privacy of the account holder. Delete account. After the complete treatment of the patient admitted in the hospital or the payments of medicine, test charges kept as a record. The account is deleted after the discharge of the patient from the hospital to free the space for new account. Future enhancement. In ancient time, people were not aware of any management system, how to run a such big system. Now the techniques have improved and new scope, new research about all this have came upon. New facilities can be provided to the patients in a hospital. With the increasing complexity of medical care and acceptance of the hospital as a service, Adjunct services to supplement the usual medical and nursing care are to be developed. Organizational change is a requisite for organizational improvement, and only a planned change is likely to be effective. Increasing specialization is leading to fragmentation. Functional specialization must give way to inter-functional integration to maintain organic harmony. The conclusion of our project is the software takes care of all the requirements of an average hospital and is capable to provide easy and effective storage of information related to patients that come upon to the hospital. Today, hospitals are better known for the specialty and super specialty services. Now, concepts have also been introduced in the management of hospitals like day care services and transfer of specialized diagnostics and the therapeutic services from inpatient to outpatient areas. Modern equipment and facilities call for a specific hospital design and a plan. Special facilities require professional and managerial skills to optimize the use of available resources. Hospital administrations have realized now the need of scientific hospital administration in the running of their hospitals. So yeah, that's about our project. Grateful for your attention. Thank you.